In the scientific journey to explore the mysteries of life, a miraculous substance called Spermidine Trihydrochloride has gradually entered people's field of vision, is quietly opening a new door to human health and longevity. Spermidine, as a naturally occurring polyamine in wheat germ, rice germ, and other foods, is an active polyamine, is vividly called the golden key to autophagy. It is like a precise regulator. It plays a vital role at the cellular level. In the field of anti-aging, spermidine can activate the autophagy mechanism, helping cells clear damaged and aging components, promote cell renewal and repair, making the skin look youthful and radiant, achieving the effect of skin repair. For cardiovascular health, it is like a loyal guardian. It protects the normal function of the heart and blood vessels. Meanwhile, in terms of brain health, spermidine also shows great potential. It helps maintain the stability of the nervous system, providing strong support for the healthy operation of the brain. The spermidine created by NTM Biotech Co., Ltd., thanks to its natural ingredients and high purity, has become a new benchmark for scientific longevity. For people's pursuit of a healthy and long life, provides new possibilities.